Hi guys, Ev here. I just want to share with you how to rotate the video into the right direction, okay, into the right position. Okay, I'm using Format Factory. It's a very simple software. If you don't have one, you have to download it. It's very easy. And the best thing there is it's a free software, okay. Now I'm going to start how to rotate the video. Right, so you have to go through here in the video portion, and then you have to click the MP4, right, and then you have to add the video file that you want to correct it. Okay, so this is the video. Okay, before that I want to show you first the video. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's okay, so this is the video that we are going to correct it. Yeah, you see the direction. So okay, let's do it. Let's see how Format Factory works. And then I have to go back here. Factory, yes. Okay, MP4, and then I have to add file, and then I have to select this video. Okay, and then the next thing, the important thing that you have to do is you have to go here at output setting, and then you have to drag down and go to advanced, and below in the advanced you can see the rotate portion, and you have to select the arrow down, and you have to analyze your video which direction that you have to correct it. So I have to select the left, okay, and then okay, and then you have to select again okay, and you have to click the start to begin the conversion. Okay, okay, this is very fast, so just let's wait for a while. So we have to delete it. Yeah, it's just the nice thing here. Once the conversion is completed, there's sounds popping up and at least to alarm you that everything is done. So now the next thing you have to do is you have to go here in the output folder. Okay, and then let's see if the video is already in the right position. There you go guys, Format Factory did really well, and thank you so much for watching, and please support my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.